This looks like a theatre studio, and that's because it is a theatre studio, but it's also a kind of library. My name's Ali Campbell, and I'm a senior lecturer in applied performance here at Queen Mary. I'm going to test a hypothesis today. The hypothesis is around communities, around connection, around people's capacity to create and extend community. And some of what I'm hoping to see is evidence about health, well-being and social inclusion. I'm working on a project called Connected Communities. I'm going to create a temporary community outside on Mile End Road, which is a very busy road running from the City of London eastwards. I'm going to use this sofa to try to create a temporary community. I want to hear people take on Jubilees and street parties. And then afterwards we're going to debrief in the studio and say, what have you learned? Especially, what have you learned that you couldn't learn in a library or just by sitting here, but what can you only learn by performing an idea?
So we're talking, basically we're going to use this sofa here, and we've got this map of Mile End Road, and because of the idea that we were talking about of actually taking a sofa out onto Mile End Road, we thought here we could almost plan it.
So, here's a sofa.
I think one of the great ways to bring about a smile, and this is something which comes from our faith as well, is that a smile is charity. That's what the Prophet, peace be upon him, he said.
So far, nobody will leave. They've just been here hours, so we're going to have more sofas and more tables.
What are you going to take home with you?
Enjoyment of the afternoon.
Did we make a community,
Yeah.
a temporary community?
Yes, we did.
Yeah.
I don't think it is unique.
With practice-based research, you have to engage with reality. If it was a big black leather sofa, would it be saying the same thing? If it was too small for 3 people to sit on, would it be saying the same thing? Those are theatre choices, design choices, scenographical choices. They're also political and social choices. All of that is involved in practice-based research if you're going to use performance as a language.